like I'm in the jungle. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isis. I wanted to do like a fall trends 2020 video, but it seems like everyone's done a fall trends video and I don't think mine would be very interesting. So I think I want to do like a come thrift with me where I'm looking for fall trends. I already have a lot of them and I want to DIY one, which is going to be a whole nother video I'm going to do. So I'm gonna go to Goodwill and see what I could find. Hey guys, I just wanted to disclaim that fashion trends are fun. You don't need to follow them, and also don't feel the need to give into trends that you don't think are gonna last or you don't think you're actually gonna like. You know, like don't spend a bunch of money on stuff that you just don't like, you know? Just getting a thumbnail. Hi guys! I'm doing a little haul of not only the stuff that I just got yesterday, it's the next day, everything's clean and everything, but also stuff I got a few days ago, like last week. I also wanted to like preference that trends, you know, you don't have to follow them. I just think they're really fun. I actually really love the trends this fall. I thought I would like stick to what I normally wear, which I definitely will. Like I'll definitely like go back and forth between them. I just think it's fun to like find something new to wear and to style. I feel like the trends this fall are very like Y2K, obviously that's coming back, but also kind of like 70s disco vibes, and I'm really loving it. It's so cute. So the first thing I got, actually what I wore yesterday when I went thrifting, I got this the time I went thrifting before. It's like this cheetah print cardigan that ties up, and I believe it actually is supposed to just tie in the front like that, but I wrapped it all the way around and tied it in the back and stretched it. It's also from Express. Oh, and this is like funky animal print trend, like zebra print's trending right now, and cheetah print is like always, there's always an animal print that's like trending. Next, I almost wore this for this video. This is the most colorful piece that I got. So as I said, funky prints are trending, especially these like mesh or sheer button downs. So I kind of have a couple, and this one I just was like, whoa, this is the most on trend of that trend that I've seen. And I thought I would like this one more than like other things because I'm like, oh, this is more my style, like it's more colorful and everything, but I'm not really feeling it too much. The brand is Nicola. Next is another one of those sheer tops. I found these both at the same thrift store and they look like so identical in the style, but oh, this is the same brand. I thought this was a different brand because the tag is smaller. It's Nicola, but the tag is like different. This one I honestly like more. It's not as loud because it's all like just blue and gray, but that one's like blue, teal, orange, green, like all those colors. But yeah, these funky prints and these mesh tops are really trendy right now. Moving on to what I got at the other thrift store. These, oh my god, I am so happy about these. These are like low rise, very dark blue, like kind of flared bootcut jeans. I have some like this, but they don't fit me in like the most flattering way. I just don't like the fit of them. So they're on my Depop. They might be sold by now because someone messaged me about them, but I love them. And I was like, I need a replacement for them. Low rise, I'm trying to get into low rise because I do love Y2K and I think it's a beautiful look. And the hack that I figured out is to like size up so they could be a bit more mid-rise and sit like right under your belly button, but still look like super Y2K. And so these are kind of like that, and they literally like fit so well. They're so soft. The brand is Ellie Tahari. I see this brand a lot at I don't know where I see it a lot at. I saw a trend video where she said that dark wash is a trend for this fall, and I was like, was dark wash out? Also, like, wear whatever you want. And it is kind of like retro 70s Y2K. Midi skirts are on like their resurgence. Did I use that word correctly? So they've been like very popular for a while. These like neutral greens, browns, I always thought that I would just stick to the pastels, and I probably will. As I said, I'll go like back and forth. I didn't think I'd be into these neutrals. I really love the fit of this. The brand of this is Cleo. I think that's how you say that. As I said, funky patterns, mesh tops are super in, so I picked up this one. I picked up this one, which is just like this very Y2K silhouette, and this funky pattern, which is very like Y2K 70s. This one I'm not as sure about. I am actually really liking the brown. Brown is really in, like chocolate brown, which is like this dark brown on here, which I was like chocolate brown was out, but then I was like, chocolate brown looks so nice. I don't know. I feel like every time you watch the trend videos, you're like, what? Like that was out? And then you're like, wait, I love that so much. Like, but yeah, this one, honestly, it looks like something my mom would wear to work in the early 2000s, which a lot of these pieces do, and that's like totally fine. The brand on this is Sunny Lay. I think that's Lay. So, Y2K. I am obsessed with this top. At first I was like, okay, never mind, like I'm not sure, but I'm really obsessed with it. Like I said again, you guys, funky, groovy patterns, and this is definitely like super groovy. It's kind of like a mock neck. You'll see in the try on. It's kind of like a mock neck with a cutout, and it ties as like an ascot on the side, so it reminds me of like something super 60s. I actually thrifted another top with this similar style, just long sleeve, like earlier in the year. The brand on this is Eye Candy. This is like super old, super Y2K. So cute. I really, really love this top. I feel like I'm gonna wear this a lot. This next one, I actually posted a TikTok like showing off most of these items, and someone commented that this fits me very well. I love this like sage green. This, like, greens are super in. Sage green, pistachio green, lime green. I don't know what other thing people are calling it. Oh, if you guys follow Blaze and Glaze, Macy Eleni, she has so many green tops. She calls them shimmy shake tops, and that's like all I could think about. And this one, tied up, just looks so disco. I'm telling you guys, that's what it is. Like, I was like, what is this style reminding me of? Like, what is trending? I was watching so many fall trend videos because they kept showing up in my recommended, and it's disco. The brand is Essential. The last one I got is literally my favorite item, probably one of my favorite items that I've ever thrifted. Oh my god, this is literally gonna stay in my closet for like the rest of my life. I'm so in love with this. This is like a sheer mesh top, and it kind of has that like Bardot Milkmaid fit where it's like super flattering. It's also pretty tight, so it just looks really good, and it's like double lined with mesh here, so you don't really need a bra, but like, I mean, you can if you want. It's super 90s. It's more 90s, and it reminds me a little bit of Sabrina the Teenage Witch, which I really love. I love Sabrina the Teenage Witch. This with like a black mini skirt. Now I need a black mini skirt. That's also trendy. This is just like, oh my god, like I love this so much.
Hey guys, I don't have an outro because my phone, I was recording on my phone, it overheated and it didn't record what I was saying, but basically I kind of said it all. Trends are fun. Don't follow trends if you don't want to. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like this video, make sure to like and comment and subscribe if you liked me and you want to see more of my content, and follow me on my other social media. It will be linked in the description. That's all.